the first time I ever crossed a picket line was, there was a large, it had to do with community control. And again, we organized Jewish teachers for community control. And it's amazing. Somebody came from the Times and interviewed us, and I realized that people trust what you say, even if you're lying. You know, if you have 10 members, you can say you have 300, and they believe you. So we became a much larger group than we really were. But it's the first time I ever crossed a picket line. I also grew up not only with Jewish writers, but when the labor movement was expanding. I mean, this was, you know, Walter Reuther and really remarkable people. That ain't anymore. That's gone. When I look back, it was a rather exciting time to live. Civil rights movement, you know, all of that going on. The second wave of feminism, you had civil rights movement, you had Jewish writers, and Jews became, they didn't have to change their names anymore. I had 2 faculty members who changed. Irving Howe was not Irving Howe. I think it was Horowitz or whatever. And I forget what Bob Manners was, but they changed their names, not because they didn't feel Jewish, but it was easier to get a job. That doesn't happen anymore. Even with movie stars, it doesn't happen anymore. Now there's a whole other set of issues for you people to solve. But it's a very exciting, the 60s were very exciting. They really were. A lot was happening, and you did feel that things were going to get better.